Welcome to Nevada's Unemployment Insurance Claimant Self-Service Portal, or CSS for short. I'm Benny the Bighorn, your online guide. In this video, I'll show you how to file your unemployment benefits claim. First, you'll need an account. If you don't have one already, watch the Create an Account video to get started. If you just completed setting up your CSS weblog on account and you don't have an existing claim, you'll be taken straight to the benefit claim information screen. Make sure you know your social security number, details about recent employment, and banking information before clicking Next. Remember that at any time during the claim filing process, you can save your progress and return later by clicking Save Draft at the bottom of the page. Required fields are denoted with an asterisk. Enter your first and last name. You can add a middle initial, title, and/or suffix if applicable. Click Next. Verify your contact information and click Yes if everything is correct, then click Next. Enter your mailing address information. Click Verify Address. You may be presented with the suggested verified address. You can either select the suggested address or choose the address as you entered it. Then click Save. Once your address is verified, click Next. You'll be asked whether your physical address is the same as your mailing address. If not, click No and input your physical address. In this case, the mailing and physical addresses are the same, so we'll click Yes. And then Next. Now, select your language preference for communications from the agency from the drop-down. All communications will be sent to your online account, and some important documents will also be mailed. Click Next. Next, you'll be asked if you have a driver's license or state-issued identification. If you do, click Yes. Add the state in which your identification is issued from the drop-down, your identification number, expiration and date issued, and click Next. Nevada unemployment claims are effective on the Sunday of the week the claim is filed. Any request to backdate your claim must be reviewed and approved by the agency before payment can be issued. Waiting to file your weekly certifications may delay or deny payments for weeks you may otherwise be eligible for. If you're satisfied with the given start date of your claim, click No to accept. When you're ready to continue, click Next. This will take you to the Special Programs page. Review each of the questions and answer accordingly. Then click Next. Next is the Employment History screen. Click the Add Employer button to enter information about your most recent employer. Use the search bar to search for your employer by either name, address, or identification number and select your employer from the results. If your search returns no results, you can click Add a New Employer and enter your employer's name and address manually. Then click Verify Address and then Save. Enter your first and last day of employment and click either Yes or No to indicate whether your last day of work was also the date you separated from the employer. Next, click the Occupation Search button and type your job title in the keyword search field and click Search. Select the code next to the correct title from the results. A screen will pop up and ask, "Are you sure you want to select this code?" Click Yes to confirm your selection if the information is correct, or No to choose a different title. Next, answer the remaining prompts, including how often you were paid, how much you were paid, and your employment type. Select Yes or No to indicate whether you've worked since your separation with the employer. Select your employment status from the drop-down and answer any additional prompts that come up. Then click OK. In some cases, information about your second-to-last employer may also be required. Review the requirements on the employment history page and add a second employer if it applies to you. When you're ready for the next step, click Next. On this page, you'll provide details about the types of jobs you are looking for and your availability. Click Primary Occupation Search and type in a job title or keyword. After entering the keyword, select Search. This will populate results based on the keyword search. Select the code closest to your job title. Next, a screen will pop up and ask, "Are you sure you want to select this code?" Click Yes to confirm your selection, or No to select a different title. Repeat this process with the Secondary Occupation Search button if you're also open to other types of jobs. Next, indicate which days you're available and choose the shifts you are available to work. Then click Next. Select Yes or No to indicate whether you are a United States citizen. If you are not, you'll be asked for immigration documentation. Click Next to continue. On the next page, you'll be asked a series of questions. These questions are for reporting purposes and do not impact your eligibility. If you don't want to disclose certain information, you can select Do Not Wish to Disclose from each drop-down. After you've answered each question, click Next. The next several pages will ask yes or no questions. Answer each question accurately and click Next to move on to the next page. You'll do this for the additional compensation information page, the workers' compensation page, the union information page, and the able and available page. Next, you'll be taken to the pre-monetary estimation page. Here, you can see an estimate of the potential benefits you may qualify for if you meet eligibility requirements. Review all the information before clicking Next. On the next page, indicate whether you would like to receive benefit payments via direct deposit, which is the most common method of payment, or a debit card. If you choose debit card, there may be additional fees associated and will require additional processing time that could result in a delay of receiving benefit payments. In this case, we'll choose direct deposit. Fill out your bank account information in the appropriate fields, including your account type, routing, and account number, and click Next. Then, indicate whether you would like federal taxes taken out of your benefit payments. If you have questions about tax withholding, consider talking to a tax advisor. Click Next. Lastly, read the entire benefits disclosure page and click the confirmation box if you agree to continue filing your claim. Click Next to go to the review page and review all the information for accuracy before clicking Submit. You may also click the Previous button to return to prior pages and make necessary edits. Review the confirmation page and print a copy for your records if you'd like. Congratulations! You've successfully filed your claim. Click OK to proceed to your CSS account home screen. To check the status of your claim on the account home screen, find the Current Unemployment Claim panel. On the left side, you'll find your claim status. It's that easy. Also, be sure to review the Unemployment Insurance Claimant Handbook for detailed information. And remember, if you have questions, look for me, Benny the Bighorn. I'm available to chat 24/7 in your portal on the right side of the screen to help you quickly find answers.